Okay, question 14. A town planning commission is considering installing a fence between a busy road and 3 separate municipal properties labeled A, B, and C. So here's the properties. I assume that's the busy road. What is the length of the fence that will be on property A? Round your answer to the nearest tenth, and then what's the length of the fence on B and C? All right, so we are trying to find this length. This is the busy road. Then we're going to do the same thing with B and C. So we're going to use our proportions here. Let's start with combining B and C. So this is 52 minus X. And then we'll combine these to be 13 plus 6, which is 9. And I'm combining them because I have to use the full length. I have to use the 52. I can't just say, well, I don't want to do C right now, because then we would have to get in another variable. And we only want one variable. We just want X. So that's why I'm combining B and C. So now we can set up our proportions. 19 to X, and then 19 to 52 minus X. And then we're going to cross multiply. So 19 times X equals 19 times 52 minus X. Distribute 19X equals 19 times 52. I don't know, big number. 988 minus 19X. I'm going to get my 19s together, my X's. So add 19X over here. 19 plus 19 is 38 equals 988. And then we're going to divide. So 988 divided by 38 is 26. So we just found out that this length is 26. Okay, now we want to find property B and then property C. So we know that's 26, and say we're trying to find B, which is Y. The problem is C right here is we need to use the 52. If we add in another variable, we're going to need more equations. For every variable, you need another equation. So what I'm going to do is find C first, because I can find if this is Y, or not this is Y, if this is Y, then I have a proportion by joining these. So 19 plus 13, that bottom is 32. And then this is going to be, this whole thing is going to be 52 minus Y. Okay, I'm ignoring the 26 right now. So we have 32 that's proportional to 52 minus Y equals 6 to Y. And it's the same as last time. Now we're going to cross multiply. So 6 times 52 minus Y equals 32Y. 6 times 52 is 312 minus 6Y equals 32Y. I'm going to get my Y's together, so I'm going to add this over. Now I have 312, not 322. 312 equals 38Y. Divide both sides by 38. So 312 divided by 38 is 8.2. It says round to the nearest tenth. All right, so now I know this is 26. This is 8.2, and they all add to 52. So to find the middle, I'm going to take 52 minus 26 minus 8.2. And now I can get B in the middle is 17.8. Perfect. If fencing costs $36.50 per yard to purchase and install, how much more will it be to cost fence property A than property C? Round your answer to the nearest cent. Okay, so $36.50, and we just found the side length. So for A is 26 yards. So to find the cost would take 26 times $36.50. Which is 949. Okay, C is 8.2 yards. So to find that cost, you would take 26, not 26, I'm looking above, 8.2 times 36.50, and that's going to give us $299.30. So the question's saying how much more is A than C? So now we're going to find the difference. That means we subtract. So 949 minus 299.30, which is 649.70. And that's our amount. So 26, 8.2, and 17.8.